G'day traders, Sam here from Trade to Prosper. It's Sunday and Aptos has been moving well. Um, so if you did what I tell you towards the end of that last video, is to buy here, I think it was around here when at the time, and put your stop loss right here along those lines, we would have been all right. So that's about, I think it was a 24% move from what I said. So hold on, it bounced above, yep. And that was a how much did that go? 24, yeah, 23% move. Now, what seems to be taking place is these levels. That previous resistance, where price came back down, we retested it. Now, only on the 1 hour, I have this 1 hour candlestick level that's clearly defined. And also I have this level here that's acting as a resistance as well. So we've got a number of areas that are taking pivot points. So let's just clean that up for a sec. Whoops, should have done that. I'll clean that up. So what I was saying is this is clearly a resistance level, resistance and resistance. And what we had is formation breakout. Like I said, there was a bullish and a bearish perspective. Volume is pretty high and momentum is to the upside. And this does look like a cup shape at the moment. So this could pretty much keep going. I'll be looking at that level. If Bitcoin goes sideways, this is the level, that Fibonacci is the next, and so on. So as long as Bitcoin goes sideways, this could potentially keep going up. However, this is a main resistance, what we've seen. So what I'm looking at is this level of resistance. We need to see how this closes on the 1 hour. So let's go back again. We need to see this close above this dotted line, the 1 hour level. And if it goes above it, then we could see another cup shape taking place and then get a resistance and pull back. And this is the level I think might be tested. So we've seen that as a resistance on the 1 hour. That's 2 points. This could potentially be support. Yep. And that's around $8.20. So if this was to come down on a small time frame, so what we're seeing here, if this was to come down to this level, we can see some cup shape coming down. If this breaks through it, then I would say that this is going to take place, and we'll see something like that coming through to that level, and then maybe another bounce, and that could be a support. But at the moment, this is bullish. I do see a continuous movement to the upside, with Bitcoin pretty much doing the same in the short time. So let's look at Bitcoin. If we've got one of the charts here, that's a fractal I was looking at. Now let's look at this one. That's what Bitcoin's doing. So Bitcoin here on the 12-hourly, very dire. Moving averages are looking like similar to before, but I won't get into it. But at the moment, this could go sideways for a while. And we need to see these moving averages. If the cross is over, then we've got something a bit bullish. But at the moment, I still see going sideways for a while. Not anytime soon to go big moves. Not until something be a catalyst. There's nothing here to be a catalyst. So we're looking at the Fed, we're looking at other news to pretty much push it up. Until then, this could keep going. All the alts are pretty much going sideways or not much, but this one is new, and it's likely to find this as resistance, come back down, probably do a cup shape. That's what I'm thinking at the moment. Accumulation. So if this continues up to the upside, it's going to be unlikely that will come down to $5. Yep. So if this continues up, I don't see it coming down straight, coming all the way down there. It's possible, but I would see this come back down to this level of support. If it was to go up, I think this will be a good support level, and it just really depends how high this goes. If this was to go up from here, we said it's likely to go up to 50%. A 50% drop here is I don't see Bitcoin dropping more than 50%. So you never know, but this could be the the lowest bottom formation I've entered, and but then I added more on just around here. Um, I wish I entered a lot more, but anyway, that's the story. We have our levels in the short time. There is no strategy really from any except this formation, and we've already hit that target, which is the dotted line. So sorry, that level there. So this structure hit its target, and then some more, and then this could continue to go up. Now let's look at the RSI on this one. And the MACD. See what if it gives us anything. Okay, so it's pretty much on the 1 hour. It's pretty pushed to the upside. So I've extended. I haven't seen it. Okay, and look at that bullish divergence. So yeah, crossover there, and you can see the bullish divergence all the way through and up again. So it's looking really good. I would say continue to hold. This might come down a bit, but something that's bullish could continue just going like that. So these are getting wider on the 1 hour at the moment. So there's not much to go with. If you made a good entry, great. Now if you're looking for another entry, uh, this level could be the right spot to do it. So if it was to come back down, I don't think it's going to make it. I think it's just going to just keep going slowly like that. It does have some spikes though, doesn't it? So this level hit that pivot point there. That was our pivot point, spiked, and that was our next resistance level where I said it was the one. And then as soon as it broke that, it spiked again. So this is very spiky. I'm going to leave that, guys. Food for thought. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.